Ladies, when given the chance, always marry a man that was written by a woman. Fashion is not my strong suit, but luckily my husband came pre-designed to always help me look amazing. Today he put me in a Lisette white tee and a Zadig skirt, and we liked the top and the skirt, but together the fabrics just weren't mixing. So we switched out for a couple skirt, which is a little bit thicker and more designed for a winter day, like the -1 degree temperatures we're having in New York today. And then we also paired it with a leather cardigan, and I feel like the combination of it is just giving chic English teacher, and this is exactly what Taylor would want. While I don't plan on leaving my house much this weekend because this storm is going to be crazy, it's always great to feel good and get ready in the morning just to feel good about yourself throughout the day. Love you all so much. Stay safe this weekend.